Here we have the WF3CB water filter for a Frigidaire refrigerator. Definitely need to check to make sure this goes with your model. I know this does goes with ours, so I am going to just show you how to replace it. We have it on auto ship. It's really easy to replace, so I'm gonna do that right now. There's the filter, top right here. Check the model if you wanna make sure it's yours, but also pro tip, we put in Sharpie the date on there before we pop it out. So I'm just gonna, this is how you pop it out. You can push it in, and then it comes right out. Boom, just like that. And now as you can see, these are the exact same model. So I'm just gonna replace this one now. It's much easier to write the date on it when it's not in there. So I'm gonna do that now. It's October 10th. So again, we got that going. It's important to make sure to line up these, and I'll show you where they go in the top, but it goes in like this level. Okay, so I'll show you. So if you look up here where it goes, again in the fridge, you wanna line up these two ridges on it with these up here, okay? So again, put it in this way. So I've made sure these ridges up here are lined up, and if you slide it out a little, you can see, all right, it goes right in. That's the only really way it goes, and then to know it's all the way in, you have to push it in. Now, it's locked into place. There is a process, though, to make sure to clear all the water out, and I'll do that too, just to make sure you know what it is. But basically, you need to run the water through the filter a few times. Okay, so I'm not gonna run it the whole time, but essentially, when you first start it up, it will sputter, and you'll see that right now, probably. Maybe not. Oh, here it comes. Yep. So again, that's just the air kind of moving through there, and it looks like it's through. It might sputter a little bit more, but you're just trying to fill the filter with water, clean out any air in the line, and you're supposed to run it through a few times before you actually start to drink in it. When it's done, you can reset this green light and you're good to go.